I can't believe that you came into my